I am successful at everything I do. My money consciousness is always increasing. Money is my servant. I know that whatever I put out comes back to me many times over. Money easily flows to me. I enjoy expressing my abundance. I believe that more abundance is coming to me now. I use money wisely. Accumulating money comes easily to me. The money that comes to me today is a pleasure to handle. My wealth is increasing massively every day. I am now wealthy. I was prosperous, I am prosperous, and I will always be prosperous. I deserve prosperity. I walk, talk, look, act, and know I am rich. I expect lavish abundance every day in every way. I easily allow abundance in all areas of my life. I am grateful and happy for all I receive and all that I have. The only limit to my abundance is me. I am grateful for this perfect universe that brings me all that I desire. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I see myself as wealthy, and that's who I am. My supply is endless, inexhaustible, and immediate. Every day I earn more and more money. I am open and willing to receive wealth in all of its forms. I enjoy my prosperity and share it freely with the world. I always have enough money. Wealth and prosperity are circulating in my life. I am living abundantly. I always have whatever I need. I give away large amounts of wealth wisely and intelligently. I let go of all resistance to prosperity. Everything and everybody prospers me now.